Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about single electron transistor which works on the principle of Coulomb blockade effect. So what is a single electron transistor? A transistor which operates with single electron phenomenon. So before going deep into that, we must know what is single electron phenomenon. Transistor operations like electrometers, oscillators, switches are operated using single electron or known as quantum dot. To obtain this phenomena, the following conditions are followed. That is, quantum dot should be isolated. No addition or deletion of electrons should be there in a quantum dot. There should be no tunneling. These conditions are achieved by Coulomb blockade effect. So before going into Coulomb blockade effect, you should know what is a quantum dot, because it plays a very important role in this process of single electron phenomena. So this diagram illustrates various structure of nano. This is three-dimensional structure of nano, and this is two-dimensional structure of nano, which is known as quantum well. This is a single-dimensional structure of a nano, which is known as quantum wire. And if it is a zero-dimensional structure, and that is known as quantum dot. So quantum dot is a zero-dimensional structure of a nanomaterial. So the addition of or deletion of electron into this quantum dot by suppression of tunneling is termed as Coulomb blockade effect. It is as follows. The charging effect, which blocks the injection or ejection of single charge into or from a quantum dot, is known as Coulomb blockade effect. In quantum dot, the charges are all negative, that is, electrons are negative. When they are forcefully brought together, they will repel. This creates a force known as Coulomb force, and that is known as Coulomb blockade effect. Thus it is blocking the tunneling. So it is known as Coulomb blockade effect. This prevents tunneling, and it is measured as C dot, which is equal to G epsilon D, where epsilon is the permittivity of the medium, D is the diameter of the dot, and G is the geometrical term based on the structure of the dot. There is EC is the energy required to add negatively charged electron to the dot, and that particular energy is inversely proportional to this C dot, and EC is very much greater than kBT, where kB is the Boltzmann constant, T is the absolute temperature, and that it is expressed in the expression given as follows. And this diagram denotes, that is, the suppression of tunneling. How? So in quantum dots, the charging energy is substantial, and it can be large enough to block tunneling electrons. So this is how it blocks the tunneling electrons, and this is known as Coulomb island or quantum dot. And this single electron transistor uses Coulomb blockade effect as a working principle, that is, addition or deletion of electrons into a quantum dot is suppressed by tunneling due to the creation of Coulomb effect. So it is known as Coulomb blockade effect. So single electron transistor, so based on this definition, first we will see what is the definition for single electron transistor. A transistor made from quantum dot that controls the current by electron tunneling from source to drain one by one. Construction. It is similar to FET, that is field effect transistor. The difference in that is, instead of PN junction we have tunneling junction, and instead of channel in FET we have quantum dots in spin set. This gate electrode controls tunneling, and biasing of the source and drain controls current flow direction. The gate bias voltage must be greater to overcome Coulomb blockade energy. If E is the energy required to move charge Q across the potential difference V, then the energy is equal to V into Q, where Q is nothing but the charge of the electron. So therefore, from this expression we can find V is equal to E by E, or we can write EC by E, where EC is the energy required to add or delete an electron from a quantum dot, which is mentioned already. But EC is equal to E square by 2C. So we can have this potential V as E square by 2C. So that is the gate voltage, which is measured as E by 2C. This is the amount of voltage required to overcome that energy, negative energy EC. When set is in the off mode, there is no tunneling, that is no electrons from source to drain. If it is in on mode, at the lowest setting, electron tunnel one at a time from source to drain. This is achieved by applying proper gate voltage so that potential energy of the dot is lowered, which allows another electron to tunnel through it. Once the electron enters the dot, its potential increases. Then it tunnels from dot to drain. With empty dot and lower potential, the process is repeated. Thus, the number of electrons are controlled using dots. Thus, on and off condition is used to make effective switching device, which is shown in the diagram as follows. So, this diagram shows what happens in the on condition. That is, in off condition, there is no electron is in the dot. So, there is no tunneling there. So, there is no, it is just kept free. And in on condition, slowly from this electron is going from source to drain, that is source to the quantum dot, and from there it is going to the drain. So once the dot gets emptied, so the potential energy lowers and it is ready to accept another electron, and this process continues till the electrons moves from source to drain one by one. The advantages: fast information transfer, suitable for high density memory, can be used for quantum computing. Disadvantages: the size of the dot should be very less to operate it under room temperature. It is very hard to fabricate. And applications: it can be used as a mass storage device, and it is used in sensor technology, and it is used for designing AND and NOR gate, used in sensitive electrometer, used in fabrication of homodyne receiver. And there are several other applications also, only some of them are discussed here. Thank you, students.